Now, before we actually jump into APCSA, you actually need a program on your computer that lets you write code. The program that we're going to use for this class is something called BlueJ. BlueJ is a program that allows us to write and for the computer to actually read Java code. To do this, we've actually created an entire walkthrough guide to how to download BlueJ, since we're not exactly using the regular BlueJ app that you can install from online. If you follow this guide all the way through, you should be able to download BlueJ successfully onto your computer. Now, I will note that this guide, although it's meant to work for both Mac and Windows computers, really only works for Mac. Right now, once you get to the point past your BlueJ download here, once you get to the point where we're actually customizing BlueJ for how we're going to use it for this course, this part actually currently does not work on all Windows computers. So if you are trying to jump into this using a PC or a computer that is running Windows, if you're an SHP student, please come in and meet with either myself or with Kamo. And if you're not, there will be a separate video covering how to actually customize your BlueJ for Windows. It just involves a little bit of moving files around, copying, and pasting into different places on your computer. It shouldn't take too long, but it is something that is a little too involved to kind of write out in a walkthrough guide like this. So like I said, if you have a Mac computer, just follow this guide and you should be good to go. Make sure you get all the way through to the end, including testing out your installation of BlueJ to make sure it works. And if you have a PC or a computer that's running not the Mac operating system, you can go ahead and get through this first task. And once you get to the second task, make sure you find the other video that tells you how to configure your BlueJ for Windows, or you can come see us in our classroom at school.